Hi, I'm Jonah from Mega City Jan, substituting for George Kim. Today, we're going to compare three popular free 3D render engines: Cycles EEVEE and Unreal Engine 5. As for the 3D tools and assets used, please check out the video description. Superhive Market is having a 25% off summer sale, so it's the perfect time to get the tools you need using the links in the video description. First, let's check out Cycles. Next is EEVEE. Third, Unreal Engine 5.8. So, what is your favorite render engine and why? Please leave your opinion in the comment section. If this video gets over 100 likes, we'll choose one of the subscribed commenters to get a free copy of a freelance edition of Mega Citizen 5.2 or later, worth $99. Thank you for watching.